At the heart of the Australian landscape unfolds the story of an extraordinary survivor. Kangaroos, marsupial mammals that have become symbols of a continent, embody millions of years of evolution and extreme adaptation. Their morphology, their hopping locomotion, and their reproductive strategy reveal a biological engineering of remarkable efficiency. Behind this familiar animal lies a scientific enigma that continues to captivate researchers and observers of the living world. The Macropodidae family, which includes kangaroos and wallabies, comprises more than 60 species adapted to highly varied environments, from dense forests to the arid plains of Australia. This diversity illustrates a remarkable evolution shaped by millions of years of adaptation to environmental constraints. The red kangaroo, the largest living marsupial on the planet, can reach nearly 1.80 meters in height and weigh over 90 kilograms. Built for the arid expanses of Australia, it has exceptional musculature dominated by powerful hind legs and a sturdy tail that provides balance and propulsion. A true masterpiece of evolutionary adaptation, this giant of the plains embodies biological performance in the service of survival. Their anatomy is the result of a remarkable adaptation to the vast arid plains of Australia. These animals turn every leap into a demonstration of biomechanical efficiency, able to reach impressive speeds while conserving their energy in an environment where every resource counts. Capable of leaps reaching nearly 9 meters and bursts of speed approaching 70 kilometers per hour, these animals rank among the most accomplished athletes in the terrestrial world. This combination of muscular power, explosiveness, and biomechanical adaptation allows them to escape predators, cover vast territories, and optimize their chances of survival in often demanding environments. Primarily herbivores, they feed on grasses, leaves, and young shoots, which they select with precision to maximize their energy intake. Their remarkably adapted physiology enables them to withstand arid conditions and survive with extremely limited water resources, a biological feat that illustrates the power of evolution in the face of the most demanding environments. Kangaroos are highly social mammals that live in groups called mobs. These communities, which vary in size, structure, hierarchy, reproduction, and vigilance against predators. In greater numbers, they detect danger more effectively, access food more efficiently, and increase their chances of survival. Behind every major evolutionary leap lies an organized society shaped by evolution. Found throughout the entire Australian continent, these animals inhabit a remarkable diversity of environments, from humid tropical forests to the most arid deserts. Their ecological adaptability allows them to exploit extremely contrasting environments, making them major players in multiple ecosystems. The breadth and variety of their habitats are evidence of an exceptional biological plasticity shaped by millions of years of evolution. The reproduction of the kangaroo is among the most remarkable strategies in the mammalian world. After a very brief gestation, a tiny, barely developed newborn makes its way alone up to the mother's marsupial pouch. Sheltered inside, it attaches itself to continue growing for several months, benefiting from a stable thermal environment and a perfectly adapted nutritional supply at each stage of its development. At birth, tiny and still unfinished, the joey instinctively makes its way to the mother's pouch, where it will spend several months feeding, developing, and completing its growth. This living incubator provides it with warmth, protection, and constant access to milk until the crucial moment when it is strong enough to face the outside world. A remarkable evolutionary strategy, a true masterpiece of adaptation in the living world. Kangaroos play a major role in Australian ecosystems. By moving across vast territories, they disperse seeds, regenerate habitats, and shape vegetation through their grazing. True engineers of the living world, they influence plant diversity and the natural balance of the continent. Despite their remarkable adaptability, kangaroos today face increasing pressures. The expansion of human activities fragments their territory, reduces access to resources, and disrupts their migratory routes, while climate change is permanently altering the availability of water and food. This combination of factors undermines the balance of populations and puts to the test the very resilience of these emblems of Australia. Conservation programs are currently being implemented to preserve this remarkable species and the habitats it depends on. Scientific research, the protection of territories, and the involvement of local communities are essential levers. Without lasting awareness and collective action, the long-term survival of these animals would remain seriously compromised. Understanding and protecting kangaroos means preserving a major ecological pillar of Australia. These marsupials shape the landscapes, influence vegetation dynamics, and contribute to the complex balance of ecosystems. Their decline would mean a loss far beyond the species itself. It would be an irreplaceable part of the world's biological heritage disappearing. To defend kangaroos is to defend the biodiversity of an entire planet.